Hey guys, Steve here. Today is Wednesday, September 5th, 2018. Hope you guys are having a good week. I just have some stuff to share with you. Some P Case stuff and some Zamacs and some Matchbox. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you some things that I was able to pick up. So I found these P Cases at a Walmart and just share with you what I have so far. Okay, so we're going to start with this one here. This is a Recolor, the 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. Okay. It's kind of metallic white, if you can tell. Metallic white paint. Nice piece. Blacked out windows you can't even see inside. It's interesting. I'm not sure if the other ones are like that or not, but I'll have to check. That'll go in the case. Next one is the McLaren P1 Recolor in green. Okay. I've done quite a few of these, of course. Okay. Next we have a McLaren 720S. This is actually kind of nice. White. The wheels look pretty good on this one, actually. Okay. See, we have, this is actually from N-Case, so I picked this up from a buddy of mine, but it's the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. This will go to my buddy. I like the paint on this one, kind of a cherry red on that. Maybe find some good wheel riders, off-road wheel riders for this. Okay. Same with this one, Skyjacker Ram 1500. This goes to my buddy. He likes the trucks. This is from N-Case as well. If I'm not mistaken, I think, or I believe this was a red card, Target red card version as well, of course, red and white. Okay. We have the Corvette. This is P Case Corvette C7Z06. It's pretty nice in blue. Okay. With white tampos. Okay. Have 2015 Dodge Charger SRT in purple. This one's actually pretty cool too. Got the white rims. And it's got the SRT logo on the hood there. Okay. That one. Yeah, this one here. This is N-Case. I gotta double check to see if I have this one or not. Red Porsche 918 Spider. I'm looking at my wall here. And okay, I do not have this one. I have a red one, but it looks like it's different different type of wheel. So another red one. So there you go. This is from N-Case as well. That'll go in the Porsche case. Okay. One I've been looking forward to is the Recolor green Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. I like this color green. Okay. Alright, next, I'm not sure if I have, oh, yeah, I think this is a new one. Urban Outlaw Morris Mini Recolor in red. Also P case. Got the Urban Outlaw logo on the roof there. And of course, these are not pop-off bodies anymore, unfortunately. They used to be. Okay, what else? Oh, let's see, that's Matchbox, Hot Wheels. Let's see that. Those. I think this is a new one as well. P case. I like the Mad Props, so there's the Mad Props. The P case. Got about a dozen or so, maybe more. Okay. Now I did find these. I'm just kind of looking, so I apologize. Okay, so I did find this in Walmart as well. I guess it's M Case. This is one I've been really looking forward to. Of course, the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant wagon. I'm trying to track down the Supra of this. This is a really nice piece. It's been a while since we've seen an Audi RS6. And so they did a really nice job on this one. Nice to see something different other than R8 there. Okay. And then yesterday I was able to hit another Walmart, and I was able to find some old stuff. Well, not super old, but old stuff that we haven't seen before, and I was able to finally track down a Groommobile. From Despicable Me. Let's see, does it do anything? I don't think it does. There you go. Anyway, here's the Groommobile. Definitely a fun piece. Okay. And I also was able to finally find the Zamacs sets. So, so this was, I think, M case maybe. I don't know. I'm guessing maybe P case. So there's the next set of 3 is this 49 Ford F1, and it's really number 4 of 2018. Here we are almost to finish with 2018, you know, and we're only on cards 4, 5, and 6. The Porsche 934.5 or half. This is one I was really looking forward to, so I can add to my wall here. Very nice piece. Okay. And another one, and the third one of this release here is the '67 Mustang, it's car number 6 of 2018. Okay. All right. So those are the Zamacs. All right. Okay. So the last Hot Wheels I have was I finally was able to track down this VW Caddy. So there it is. This is 1 per box or 1 per case or set, or I think it's 1 per case actually. So very hard, kind of hard to find right now, but there it is. and I was able to track it down. So, and I think I wanted to crack this one open. I'm looking here. Yeah, yeah, I'll open this one up. And of course, this is from the Shop Trucks series. Okay, it's kind of cool piece. Not a favorite casting, but this one's actually pretty nice. Of course, it's got the skateboard in the bed of the truck, so they did a nice job on this one, I think. Right. Matchbox. I found these two pieces also at Walmart. This is the the Matchbox Mercedes series. This is the CLS 500. Blister was already messed up, it looks like, so just pop that out. Oh, blue there, kind of a matte blue. I'm on a matte metallic blue almost. Okay, and then the one I found, which is not, there's also, so the 6x6 actually came out in both the Mercedes series and the main line, and I found the main line, of course, here. My buddy is picking, or has already picked up the Mercedes series one for me, so I'll share that with you when I get that, hopefully on Saturday or Sunday. But there's the 6x6. Okay. G63 AMG 6x6. Very cool piece. Like the color on that one. Okay. All right, and finally, the last piece I want to share with you is this. I came across this Johnny Lightning. You know, Johnny Lightning has come out with a lot of nice stuff lately, and I saw this one. This is a Johnny Lightning 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR, okay, R34. One of 2,500 apparently, so pretty cool piece. Go with the Skyline. Wheel gap looks kind of funny. They don't know, same issue with the green light for some reason. The wheel gaps on some of the cars is like huge, but that can always be fixed if I ever open it. But there it is. It's called, and the color is called Active Red version B. Is the release. Okay. All right. Well, there you have it. That's all I have to share with you. This Saturday is our club meet, and so once I have that or attend that, hopefully I'll have some more stuff to share with you either Saturday night or Sunday, depending on when I have time. Okay. Until then, happy hunting, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.